Hello everyone, my name is Kamal and I am a blockchain developer. And in this FVM Dataverse, I built this revolutionary platform which is called Research Revolution, which is a data DAO which aims to unleash the future of modern science with the use of cross chain FVM. What that means is the a data DAO has been created on the FVM blockchain, which is fueled by cross-chain functionalities powered by XLR. So, taking a look at the inspiration, so it was inspired to make the future of science better. Uh, it is a platform that leverages Web3 technologies. These are the different technologies that have been utilized into the making of this revolutionary platform. Uh, Now, let's take a quick look into the platform. So, this is the landing page of the platform. I would get a bit smaller. So, the landing page tells you about the platform and what it does. So, welcome to the world of decentralized science. So, decentralized science is basically a movement that aims to build public infrastructure for funding, creating, reviewing, crediting, and storing the research papers using the Web3 stack. So on the platform, you see the different features that we provide, which are like to get better review system because uh, in the research area where scientists and other researchers would be uploading their research papers on the marketplace, so they would efficiently get a review system, which is powered by Polybase. It is a data DAO market created on the FVM network. Uh, Lighthouse powered access control. So the scientist, whatever research papers they upload, they can encrypt those documents via Lighthouse, uh, uh, decentralized storage on the FVM, and many more such features that make this platform great. So first of all, we can connect our wallet pretty quickly. It doesn't take long. So just connecting it and it gets connected. We have both light and dark modes. So once it gets connected, we have like these networks. We also have Falcon Hyperspace. So we can either switch to it as the marketplace is deployed on that. So here, the sign in button is for the Polybase to sign in through that. And the user, if he is new, he can create his wallet and his address for the review system. Now let us take a quick look at get started. So once you click on get started, uh, your research paper page appears here. First of all, as the researcher would upload his papers, this is like the prior page of the researcher. Here his all papers would be listed. Here, if he wants to upload a new paper, he can upload and apply the access control powered by the Lighthouse SDK. And these are the different stages which his papers would be, the waiting for approval, approved papers, rejected, or the published paper stage. So let's take a quick demo of how uploading process takes place in encryption. So for example, if I click on this and I try to see some document and pick one of these. So I picked on a research paper on plants, and as soon as I upload the encrypted file, it asks me to sign. So I would sign in, and it says file uploaded successfully, which is great. And we can see this file at this link. Uh, this is a toast notification which we receive, uh, and it gets downloaded. But since it's an encrypted file, I don't think we would be able to see it. Yeah. So since I uploaded it as an encrypted file, I'm not able to see it. The researcher can now apply different access controls on the encrypted file. For example, he can change the chain on which, for example, hyperspace, the method. For example, if I want that whoever who has this NFT, uh, more than one NFT to have the access control, I would just have to enter the CID, which already I get via the toast notification. I just have to write that and click on apply access control. So I just have to sign it. This is powered by Lighthouse, and this access condition would be applied. And now I can visit this to see the access condition have been applied. So whoever would have greater than one NFT of this would have access to this file. The researcher can himself encrypt this file to ensure privacy. And uh, since Lens is a social platform, to increase the engagement of this research paper and to get more review, you can also share a post on Lens. You can simply click on this Lens, and it would simply take you to the Lenster page where you can uh, upload or say hi to whoever and ask for a review. So this is for increasing the engagement, powered by Lens protocol. And the best part is that funding, which is a major problem in the Web2 era, where your research paper has to go through many stages and ultimately, like, it is very limited. So here we have provided you with cross-chain funding powered by XLR. So what you can do is you can actually see all the research paper. Uh, Prior to this, you can also go to the marketplace. The marketplace contains different research papers which are published to the market. For example, we see that this at this DataDAO marketplace, a research paper which has been published, which is linear algebra, uploaded by this author whose name is James Smith. You can either click on fund or you can view the paper. So if you want to fund an information about his wallet, you would have uh, with the research paper, and you could simply paste the destination address here. Obviously, one or more researchers could publish their research paper, and you can make an array of their addresses in order to fund the papers. And you can set an amount, for example, to so this would be so an asset. Since this is a cross chain project, we have been powered with different assets on. You can send from any chain to any chain, as this would be a global marketplace, a global DAO. For example, let's select AUSDC, which is XLR wrapped USDC, from Polygon to Avalanche chain. So, and this two amount would be like 2 into 10 raised power 6, which is due to the smart contract which is deployed on both of these chains. And once you click on submit, it would ask you for, uh, okay, so you should be on Polygon, as I wanted to send from Polygon to Avalanche. And I would set the amount again, and I would switch the chain to Polygon Mumbai, as uh, I want to send from Polygon to Avalanche. And then once I click on submit, the transaction would pop up, which would ask me to approve the AUSTC, and then send them similar to these. It might take a while, but as soon as it happens, we would send an approve to this contract, and then a GMP, a general message passing, would take place, which would transfer those tokens from one chain to another chain. This contract earlier some hours, it, Polygon to Avalanche transfer took place, which took like 9 minutes or small. So this was all. How many? You can see that the three amount were transferred from Polygon to Avalanche using this platform. Also, on the marketplace, you can add any researcher by any researcher could come and add himself. Here and his institution, and you can click on submit, and this should add the researchers. So the researchers list and the research papers would be on the marketplace for all the people to view it. And then the next big thing of that this marketplace offers is the review system. So the review system has this NFT chat functionality, and this is a cross chain. So you say Ethereum, Moonbeam, Avalanche, everyone, and you see that there's a scientist, and here you can chat with other scientists, other researchers, and you can ask them to review your papers. This is all wallet to wallet encrypted, uh, and you could uh, uh, nice, or you can send any message. You just have to click on chat with 0 or 12. These are the IDs of them. So I can click on them and the message would be sent. Uh, let's take a quick look at the Polybase Explorer. So these are the users that had registered their ID 012 that we saw. Uh, this is the schema for the Polybase, which includes the messages. Okay, and these are the user. Uh, these are the messages from address to address, and the messages. These are the IDs and the different timeline. What we also say is like it correctly shows the timing and dates. And now um, the next thing that might come to your mind is how would the researcher encrypt that NFT? So it might be like going to another platform and creating an NFT that might take some time. So we have created an NFT page where you can use AI's stable diffusion model to generate an NFT. So with that NFT, he can encrypt the documents and subsequently sell it also on the marketplace if they want, increase the funding. And so here you can name anything and you can write a little description of the experiment. For example, green plant or anything. And to be this would be minted on the Filecoin hyperspace network. So we have to search, and it would create an AI NFT and mint on the Filecoin network. It's currently generating image since it's using a stable diffusion model in the back. It might take some seconds, minutes to generate and then mint it on the Filecoin network. By the time I would like to show you some code. Uh, so Okay. So what happened was like our image got uploaded to IPFS, and this is the link to it. Um, it might be, it might need some proxy, but and we are waiting for the mint to happen. And here is what we see that the green plant and an image got generated, which has this URL. Uh, I would try to show you that too. And by the time this comes, we are waiting for the mint to happen, and all the code is being open source, and it's the all the contract code is in another repo, which is our research revolutionary research contract. So this has all the contractory code, which contains the AI NFT, the distribute token, which is the one which is used for cross-chain funding of the projects, which calls the call contract with token with all these different parameters from one chain to another chain, which is pretty cool. Then we have the DAO contract. The DAO contract lists different uh, papers and stages, how you can upload paper to the marketplace and different things. So that is about it. We have also the remix. I think we are still waiting for the minting to happen, but it mints an NFT to the marketplace, and you can use that NFT's address as for token gating. And yeah, pretty much it. Then these are the different technologies. We have the Prodon Spheron, Polybase, FVM is used for data DAO, Tiller is used for getting the live prices, all the different challenges. What's next? We would like to improve the platform in the future, and this was Research Revolution, and a clear effort to improve the research community and to make a good foot towards the decentralized future of decentralized science. Thank you for watching. This was my project. Thank you.